Hey, it's Shubumi from Pearl Lemon Leads, and this presentation is in regards to the previous video. It's just the continuation of me explaining the interface of the Ulink. So where we stopped at task queue and moving on to the next. The next is the campaign creation button. So right here we have the new messenger campaign and the new connector campaign. The new messenger campaign allows users to create a messenger campaign which sends automated messages to existing connections. So this messenger campaign is basically just for people who you have existing connection with. While this new connector campaign is you wanting to send connection requests to new prospects. So yeah, we have the set account schedule also. So like in this account, it allows us to define the time and days when campaigns should run. This helps to maintain safe and consistent outreach activities. So let's say, for example, you want your profile to be active from 8 a.m. You just hold and drag to the respective hour. Then you want to do from 8 a.m. to, let me say, 6 p.m. So this is how you're gonna do it. And if you want your working days to just be Monday to Friday, you just come to the you just on check this, then you check all your respective working days. So that's that for the set account schedule. And this invite manager is usually at 1000, right? So there are some instances whereby the customers might say they don't like the messages. So if that actually happens, what you do is you set this to 1000 for the next 24 hours, making necessary amendments and doing whatever is supposed to be done. So after 24 hours, you come back and set the invite manager to the 1000, and you continue everything. You continue what you've been doing. So the moving to the next one. Okay, so the next one we have here is this. This is actually showing that there are no tasks in queue. What this means is that there are currently no active tasks running in the campaign. Normally, when a campaign is active, like this session right here, upcoming task, like you're gonna it's gonna show the upcoming task. Like it shows the pending actions, such as sending connection request or follow up message or whatever. It just shows the tags. But yeah, there are no active campaigns. That's why it has this caution sign right here. So going to the next one is the communication statistics. So it provides performance insights over different period of time, 24 hours, 48, 1 week, 1 month, blah, blah, blah. So this right here request to reply to other messages, they represent matrix. So what this request is saying under 24 hours, 48, this respective period of time, what it's saying is that this request is number of connection requests sent within 24 hours or 48 hours or 72 hours, wherever. So the next one is connected the connected section. So what it means is the number of accepted connections within respective period of time, and this actually means the number of replies to connection messages within the respective period of time, and this means this last one right here. It means number of replies to follow up messages within the respective period of time. Yeah. So it just basically helps to measure effectiveness of the outreach campaign. And that's basically okay. This section right here, it shows this your connection right here. It shows the total number of current connection in the network and the number of new connections gained within 24 hours, 7 days, blah blah blah. And this shows the opening mail, open to work, connection request. So that's it for the unique interface. I hope this helps. Thank you.